Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. I am the professor. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.
The discriminant, find the number of solutions. Let us go with another example. Example number, say we can say this is example number say 2. Example number 2. So find the number of roots for this example as x square plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. So the discriminant delta equals b square minus 4 times a and c, because this is coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is a b, and the constant is c. So b square is a 4 square is 16 minus 4 times of a into c equals 16 minus 16 becomes 0. So whenever delta is 0, we can say one root, it has one real root or repeated roots. So how can this is the answer for the solution, answer for the question, find the number of solution. So we have found that it has a one real root or repeated roots. So how to find the root? This is a additional answer to the question. So to find the root, to find the roots of x is that we have the equation x and we have the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which equals minus 4 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. So already we have this one, this is the one, 16 minus 4 times of 1 and 4 divided by 2 times of a. So we have minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 16 is a 0, root 0 is a 0 divided by 2. So we can say x1 equals minus 4 by 2 equals minus 2, and x2 equals minus 4. I think this is minus 4 plus 0, this is a minus 4 is minus 0, okay, right, divided by 2. We have again we have minus 2. So x has the root minus 2 comma 2, so that means it has a repeated roots. Clear? So this is how we need to find the determinant to identify how many root it has, and then using this formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac is the formula to find the number of roots. Right? Understood? Okay guys, see you, bye bye, have a great day.